So let us see what is solenoid. A solenoid is a coil consisting of a large number of circular turns of insulated copper wires. Okay, so this is all about solenoid. Okay, so whenever current flow in solenoid, it behaves like magnet. If it behaves like magnet, it produces magnetic field, and if it produces magnetic field lines, so the structure of magnetic field line are what kind of? Let us see. So this is plus and this is minus. Okay, so the magnetic field inside the solenoid is parallel. Okay, and straight. The magnetic field inside the solenoid is parallel, but once the magnetic field come out from the solenoid, then it again make a circular closed loop. Again make a circular closed loop. So this is all about magnetic field produced by solenoid. When solenoid consists electricity into them. So this is all about the magnetic field line produced by a solenoid. I repeat again, the magnetic field line produced inside the solenoid is straight and parallel, but the magnetic field line produced outside the solenoid is again curved and closed. Okay, okay. So this is all about the magnetic field produced by solenoid. The field lines around a current carrying solenoid are similar to that produced in a bar magnet. This means that the current carrying solenoid behaves as the north pole and south pole. Okay, if we discuss that this is north pole and this is south pole of this magnet, then the magnetic field again goes from this direction. Okay. The field lines inside the solenoid are parallel to each other. Thus, the strength of magnetic field is same, uniform at all points inside the solenoid. So, the strength of magnetic field line inside the solenoid is same, is equal. So, because they are parallel to each other. Okay. This is all about the concept related to solenoid. Now we talk about next topic, which is electromagnet. See what is electromagnet. See, next topic is electromagnet. 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 So right now we discuss about magnetic field produced by current carrying solenoid. So we also observed that the magnetic field produced inside the solenoid having greater strength than outside, because they all are parallel to each other. So the magnetic field produced inside the solenoid behaves like natural magnet. Whenever we place any material into it, like iron, copper, they attract it. So the concept is this is solenoid, you know very well. This is solenoid, okay. Now if the current passes through it, then it produces some amount of magnetic field into it, okay, some amount of magnetic field. So the magnetic field produced inside the solenoid having greater strength, okay. So the magnetic field produced inside a solenoid can be used to magnetize. Whatever the magnetic field produced inside the solenoid can be used, it can be used to magnetize other substance, other metal like iron, okay, magnetize, and hence this solenoid become a magnet whenever solenoid contains some electricity. That's why electromagnet, we call it electromagnet. So first of all, electricity flow in solenoid, and then this solenoid behaves like magnet. That's why this is known as electromagnet. Okay. This is the magnet so formed is called electromagnet. It becomes like magnet because it can be used to magnetize iron like substance. So this is all about electromagnet. An electromagnet is used in electric bell, electric motor, uses electric motor, telephones, loudspeakers, etc.